Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the typography hierarchy of any web page. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for type scale.com. Just simply go to this website and it will generate a text hierarchy for you, like it has started with h1 to h6, then the paragraph tag with 1 rem of size and the small tag as well, so you can get the hierarchy of the text size for any website that you are planning to design or anything, and you can get the css for the same if you log in this website, and you can get the detailed tags in this left section. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.